So Supreme Week 17 was on December 16th, and this was TNF or the North Face week with some, jackets, scarves and other accessories. And for me, I didn't really feel the tie-dye effect that the collection and collaboration incorporated, so I decided to pass. However, I did see something that caught my eye and I managed to cut. Now, with the holiday season, it's been a little bit of a delay getting this in hand, but I can't wait to see what I've actually purchased. So let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? Lukas back with a video, and today I'm checking out the Supreme New Era box logo Balaclava. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also click the notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. And if you do like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm doing a quick review and trying on of the Supreme New Era box logo Balaclava, which I got from week 17 of Supreme. Now the main focus of week 17 was the North Face collaboration, where they had some jackets, some scarves and a few other accessories, but they were doing this kind of tie-dye effect, and I wasn't really feeling that, so I did pass on those. But I did cop the Balaclava. It's winter, it's obviously we have to wear face coverings a lot because of the pandemic, and I figured it'd be kind of cool to check it out and see what it's like. So let's get to it. Alright, so simple packaging. This actually arrived just before Christmas, because obviously the shipping delays, and it shipped December 22nd, actually arrived here December 23rd. But obviously with Christmas and all the holiday period, it's kind of taken a few days to obviously get this review done, but happy to finally actually open this and see what we've got. So let's get to it. Okay, so no Bogo sticker this time. Again, there it is. And we have the Supreme New Era box logo Balaclava in the black colourway. Obviously it's a balaclava, so it's go over your head to kind of keep you warm in the winter period, obviously in the colder months. Here you have the box logo, Supreme in white text on the red background. You have the New Era logo right here on the side, and they just have the New Era tag at the bottom. This was £50 in the UK, £55 of shipping, so not too bad. So let's try it on. So it's interesting, you can do this as a face covering, definitely. It's feels nice to the touch on my neck and around my head. It's definitely long, so it definitely would provide insulation and would keep the cold out in those winter months. Now obviously in the UK it's not as cold here at the moment, but obviously it may get colder, so that's kind of why I'm going to pick this up, and also because it looks kind of cool. But how often I'm going to wear it, not sure. I guess we'll have to see. But in terms of being a face covering, I think it definitely fits the bill. Obviously you could wear a mask underneath this, but then you might get too hot, so you have to kind of bear that in mind. But I can also put it down as well, so that helps. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's short review, short and sweet. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Did you cop anything from week 17? Did you cop the Balaclava, maybe in this colour or a different colour? It did sell out, so definitely happy to have this in hand. It's definitely a hype item that a lot of people are going for, so as I said, definitely happy to get this added to the collection. So thanks for watching this video. If you did like this kind of content, unboxings of Supreme, hype brands, as well as sneaker reviews, etc., please do subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. And if you did like today's video, please also give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.